Hello everyone, after watching the video about cultural sensitivity in the hospitality industry, the part that surprised me the most was how much weight cultural background can influence the expectation and comfort level. The video highlight real examples like how certain cultures value personal space while others prefer more social interaction. I didn't realize that these small differences could cause misunderstanding if staff are not trained or to recognize them. One approach I would apply when interacting with guests from different cultures is practicing open and respectful communication. This means asking polite, clarify questions instead of assuming what a guest wants. For example, if I'm unsure about their preferred service style, I simply I simply ask, how may I assist you in, in the way you prefer? This ensures the guest feels heard and understood. The video reminded me that cultural sensitivity is not just about knowing the facts about other cultures. It's about being flexible, patient, and respectful in every interaction. By doing this, we can create a welcoming environment for all guests regardless of where they came from. And then, thank you.